Good day. Just moments ago, Air Force One touched down, marking the arrival of U.S. President Donald J. Trump for the 47th ASEAN Summit. It's a highly anticipated visit, as President Trump's presence here signals renewed U.S. engagement in the Indo-Pacific region. Upon arrival, the president was greeted by Malaysia's Prime Minister, Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim, and welcomed him with a traditional Malaysian cultural performance. In a light moment, Mr. Trump even joined in a few dance steps, a gesture that drew cheers from the crowd and plenty of cameras. This year's ASEAN Summit carries extra weight, coming at a time when Southeast Asia stands at the crossroads of major global trade and security discussions. Mr. Trump is expected to join leaders from across the region for talks on economic cooperation, regional stability, and the ongoing peace efforts between Thailand and Cambodia. In fact, he is scheduled to witness the signing of a ceasefire agreement between those two neighbors, a diplomatic milestone for ASEAN unity. For Malaysia as the host nation and ASEAN chair this year, the spotlight shines brightly in Kuala Lumpur, was repeatedly emphasized, or has Prime Minister Anwar has repeatedly emphasized ASEAN centrality, reminding the world that Southeast Asia is not just a stage for global powers, but a region with its own voice and direction. And over the next few days, leaders will also discuss critical issues, from the digital economy and climate change to maintaining peace in the South China Sea. But for now, the focus is on this high-profile arrival, as the United States returns to the ASEAN table in full force. From Kuala Lumpur Convention Center, I'm Digna Sarang with Anita Suarez reporting for Tatoli.